Now it's time to remove the steam arms from the water. So I will purge to remove any residue of water trapped inside the steam arm. I will also wipe it with a damp, clean cloth. Now I'm happy that the steam arms are clean and there's no residue of milk. Remember never to use any chemicals or abrasive materials to clean the steam arms. Now we will use a clean damp cloth to clean the group heads and the rubber seals. I will follow that by cleaning the drip tray. We will lift the drip tray and clean it in the sink using a soft cloth and some soap. Once you've cleaned and dried your drip tray, you can put it back on the machine. But now we need to dry all around the machine, and we can also use food safe sanitizer, but never around the group heads. Now it's time to clean our portafilters. We will pop the basket open using a spoon and soak them with the powder and hot water for 10 minutes. Using the soft side of the sponge, after 10 minutes, give it a wipe and a good clean to remove all residue of coffee. Now that our portafilter looks clean, we will move to the basket and do the exact same thing. After we have cleaned the basket and the portafilter, we will rinse them on the cold, clean water. Now we can pop the basket back into the portafilter like that. Now that you have cleaned your machine and your portafilters are lovely and shiny, we can pop them back in and set up the machine so it's ready for the next morning trade. There you have it. Beautiful, shiny machine. Thank you guys, and see you next time.